welcome back to another video. Today, I'm playing with my Harry, and we are going to be doing a video together. I'm going to lower down my volume so you guys can hear Nahari better, and you guys can obviously hear me better as well. So,
CeyannPhoenix here, and today I'm here with ReddHunter. I'm here with ReddHunter playing Bedwars.
that name will soon be changed to ReddPhoenix. As you guys see on my YouTube channel, I have it as ReddPhoenix. So, today we are going to be playing some Bedwars. As you guys see on my other videos, I've been trying out some games. There's going to be another game that I'm going to be posting today. But that's going to be later. Maybe Nahar can join. I don't know. But let's do this. So we're going to go into a duels match. It shouldn't take as long as a squad. So let's go. I'll change my kit. So the kits that we are going to be, the kit I'm using today is going to be Auto Tunde. Nahar, Ceyyan, what is your kit going to be? It is a skill big kit because as I'm gonna show you guys here now, if you can find it. Airy. So it's an unobtainable kit. The base health is 90, but killing enemies adds So let's do this here. Where maybe we might do some kit fusion if we die early out. But there's gonna most likely be a part 2 of us doing. There's gonna be a different video of us doing kit fusion. Because I can't do 2 videos at a time. So let's go. 15. Because currently, guys, I'm trying to figure out the verification thing. If you guys can help me, I'm gonna make a community and you guys can post to help me do this.
I almost forgot about communities. I can make them.
You can make communities for your subscribers so they can post and show you what other videos they should do. That we should do. Anyways, let's get right into it. So I most likely wouldn't be talking that much, but I'm pretty sure Nahara will be talking. On his side of it, you can go and see his perspective on his side, and you can see my perspective on my side. So let's go.
I'm not PS today. I'm not doing a PS cam today.
As I said, guys, I don't like doing face cams, so I'm gonna just be here. Nahar does face cam, so you can go and look at his face on his video. And I've been in his videos a couple of times before as well. So let's do this.
Let's get these kids out of here.
My first upgrade. Did I tell you over there? Okay. Both of us are using first person, so it's gonna be much easier.
Oh, why am I lagging so bad?
That's all.
I'm going.
Now how to run?
Run me, boy. Never mind, don't run.
We go.
Oh, I honestly hate this map.
I also do it. I almost killed that kid if he didn't have an iron sword. So our best man bet is for not hard to get iron sword so he can deal a lot of damage. Right now I'm using auto tunde, so I'm gonna try to get some shield. Right now. Hammer. Hacks. Kind of a axe hammer. For the original one, for the non-kit one, the one that doesn't have the skin, the original, it has a hammer. But for the one I'm using, aka Void Knight, or Void Autotunde, has an axe. I killed a kid. Oh my gosh. So fast we're dying, guys. Okay.
Yeah, faster.
Ow.
Fortuna is such an unskilled kid.
It's an unskilled kit, so maybe we might get to do kit fusion. I'm heading back to the lobby so I can buy Airy. So I can kit fuse with Airy. Cause remember guys, the tuna is a strong kit once you know how to play with it. It's better in third person, but most people play it first.
I remember when I was still like fucking with it.
Okay, let's do some kit fusion. So there's gonna be a full video where we do multiple kit fusions if we keep dying. And then we might do some hyper kits. I don't know.
Oh, hyper kit's a new game mode.
Yeah. So if you guys want to try it out for yourself, join
Bedwars.
Join Roblox Bedwars, and you guys can try it out for yourself. Just go into the arcade and select the queue. It's gonna be there forever. Know that they added it forever. And there's gonna be some other game modes like Sky Wars, Mine Wars, Gun Game.
They brought back bridge duels.
They brought back what?
Bridge duels, which I hate.
Oh, bridge duels. So the kits I'm gonna be using are Autotunde and Airy. Now, what are your kits that you're gonna be using?
You will have Airy with one of them. I also have Airy with one of them.
And what is that? Let's see, he's using Barbarian and Airy. 2 level 50s on our team, aka Nahari.
I played this game long enough to be level 50.
Even though I play longer than Nahari grinds this game more than me, to be fair.
I don't grind this game as much as I used to.
Anymore. Because the battle pass is really what we're trying to grind. Did I just drop my iron?
Huh?
I dropped my iron on accident.
I can't hide my level for some reason. Dude, I'm like a bridge god at this. I'm like a bridge god. But I can build fast. I can build like really fast here. Yo, I have so much lag.
Nah, baby man. Walk back, retreat. Bombo.
Yo.
Why did the entirety of yellow team push?
I have so much lag.
The entire. Why? But I mean the entirety of yellow team. I mean the entirety of yellow team just pushed.
The entire team.
Little Leon. I gotta run.
How far are you even at? Oh, bruh. That whisper?
Gubby.
Oh, nah, it's not close. I'm gonna be getting cooked. He has 3.
A lot of games we play, in Bedwars, the kids have reach now. What is your entirety of the dog? These men actually got reach. You guys saw how far it was from him. So the main goal of this game is to try to beat other people and win. I recommend you guys try Hyper Kits and tell me how it is. I'm gonna make a community so you guys can tell me. I'm a Wombo. Now I kill that kid.
Two butterflies.
I have 2 butterflies as well. How much butterflies you got?
2.
Only? Did not have on that. Now I have 4 butterflies. I'm gonna mine these so I can get not armor. Okay, I'm gonna go right there. I'm supposed to out you. My card doesn't make me lag, so you guys can see the clear section on my side, and then you can see the laggy section on his side. My bad.
I'm not sure if it's lagging the video, but
why is there a kid just standing there? Woo! Using auto-tune to his squads is kind of a bad idea, cause I can't really upgrade. Since the entirety of everybody is pushing mid. They're going to destroy orange team, dog. Why?
Everyone just flew up to me. I feel like he just flew up to me. And I was like, I don't know.
I'm going and trying to get I got my now if you push with me to our orange team, we might be able to defeat them. No, I fell off. Yes! I got tier 2 damage. Ow. Okay, now that I have tier 2 damage, it's gonna be way easier to get max. We might do a video.
How did he get up there that quickly?
Now, how are crashing out? Like, now, how if you push me to orange team, we can defeat them.
Not when yellow team just coming after my butthole.
You mean they tried to pink and yellow that is teaming?
That's me?
Yes, you didn't realize? I got dropped by both a yellow member and a pink member, dog. Now, let's push orange team. Quick, push orange team. That there's no way I know dodge that, dog. Fire! Oh my god! Where did he turn? Where did yellow? Nah, why would you bring yellow team? Okay, at this point, Nahare, we have to make a bridge there. I got 80 blocks. Let's make a bridge to their base. Instead of like. Here we go.
You guys don't know that right now.
I actually had no clue. Thanks. They're tied here. They're pink team and yellow team is doing something. Now a yellow team member died and that pink team fell off with you. Why? Now how this is over 15 minutes. I don't know if I can post this.
I think wait until later today to post it because you're gonna use your other phone to try and verify yourself.
Goodbye, Crew World!
You just died?
Yes. I'm trying to push RNC. What do you expect?
It's freaking hacking. Are you still recording?
Yes.
Everyone? To try and record. Okay.
I'm gonna try to post it, the frick.
I mean, ReddPhoenix is gonna try later today to post the video once he verifies his account from my account.
I might not even have to verify my account with a post.
Oh, pink teams are beat!
Stop them!
We can win this. I'm close to raid blue. And I'm 14 guys.
Yeah, I'm done with this game. Guys, I hope you had a good video. Bye.